Most people trade time for money. You work an hour, you earn for an hour. You stop working, you stop earning. It is a simple exchange that feels normal until you realize its fundamental limitation. There are only 24 hours in a day, and your income is permanently capped by how many of them you can sell. Digital products break that equation entirely. You create something once and sell it an unlimited number of times. You earn while you sleep, while you travel, while you are doing something else entirely. The work happens up front. The income continues indefinitely. This is how creators are building genuine passive income with digital products, and exactly how you can do the same. Chapter 1. Why digital products work. The economics of digital products are unlike almost any other business model. A physical product costs money every time you sell one. Materials, manufacturing, packaging, shipping. Each sale has a cost attached to it. A service costs time every time you deliver it. A digital product costs essentially nothing after it is created. The file exists, you sell it. The buyer downloads it, you keep the margin. Do that 1,000 times and the economics become extraordinary. There is no inventory, no warehouse, no shipping delays, no manufacturing minimums, no supplier relationships to manage. A digital product can be created by one person on a laptop and sold to buyers across the world automatically while the creator sleeps. Chapter 2. What digital products actually work. Not all digital products are equal. The ones generating consistent passive income for creators fall into several reliable categories. Templates are among the most consistently successful digital products. Notion templates, Canva templates, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, resume templates, social media templates. Anything that gives buyers a professional starting point they can customize, saves them time and effort they are genuinely willing to pay for. Templates require no ongoing maintenance and can sell for years after creation. Ebooks and guides work exceptionally well when they solve specific problems for specific audiences. A generic ebook about productivity struggles to sell. A specific guide on how freelance photographers can manage their client workflow sells consistently because it speaks directly to a real pain point a defined audience has. Online courses represent the highest earning potential in the digital product space. A well-constructed course teaching a skill buyers genuinely want can generate significant income for years. The upfront creation cost is higher, but so is the price point. Courses regularly sell for $50 to $500 or more. Printables, downloadable files buyers print themselves, are simple to create and sell consistently on platforms like Etsy. Planners, habit trackers, wall art, educational worksheets, journal pages. Simple to make with free tools like Canva and often purchased in high volumes by buyers looking for affordable organizational tools. Presets and filters for photo editing, sound packs for music production, fonts, icons, and design assets are highly sought after by creative professionals willing to pay for tools that improve their work and save them time. Chapter 3. Where to sell. Choosing the right platform dramatically affects how much passive income a digital product generates. The right platform puts your product in front of buyers who are already looking to purchase. Etsy is the most powerful platform for most digital product beginners. It has over 90 million active buyers searching for unique products, and its algorithm surfaces relevant products to buyers organically. A well-optimized Etsy listing can generate sales for years without any paid advertising. The platform works particularly well for templates, printables, and design assets. Gumroad is the preferred platform for creators with existing audiences. Simple to set up, reliable, and trusted by digital buyers. If you have a newsletter, a social media following, or a YouTube channel, Gumroad makes it easy to sell directly to your audience with minimal friction. Teachable and Kajabi are purpose-built for online courses offering features like video hosting, student progress tracking, community forums, and payment processing in one platform. The monthly fees are higher than basic selling platforms, but the tools for creating and selling courses are significantly more sophisticated. Creative Market serves designers, photographers, and creative professionals looking for design assets, fonts, templates, and visual tools. The buyer audience is highly targeted and willing to pay premium prices for quality creative products. The most successful digital product creators do not rely on a single platform. The same product listed on Etsy, Gumroad, and their own website multiplies its chances of being discovered without requiring any additional creation work. Chapter 4. The role of content. The creators generating the most passive income from digital products almost universally share one characteristic beyond their products. They create content. Content is how digital products get discovered by people who have never heard of the creator before. A YouTube video demonstrating how a Notion template works converts viewers into buyers at remarkably high rates because the video proves the product's value before the viewer spends a cent. A Pinterest post showing a beautifully designed printable planner drives traffic to an Etsy listing for months or years after it is posted. A TikTok showing a before and after of a Lightroom preset sells the preset to photographers who would never have found it otherwise. Content creates trust. Buyers of digital products cannot physically examine what they are purchasing before buying. They are making a decision based on screenshots, descriptions, and their confidence in the creator. Content, videos, blog posts, social media, builds that confidence at scale. Chapter 5. Building a catalogue. The creators making life-changing passive income from digital products are not relying on a single product. They are building catalogues. A single template selling 20 copies per month at $15 generates $300 per month. 10 templates each selling 20 copies per month generates $3,000 per month. 20 templates generating the same volume produces $6,000 per month. The math of catalogue building is straightforward, but powerful. Each new product you add is a permanent asset. It continues to be discovered and purchased indefinitely without additional work. Unlike a service where you stop earning the moment you stop working, every product in your catalogue works for you around the clock every day of the year. Chapter 6. Starting today. The barrier to starting is lower than it has ever been. Canva's free plan is sufficient to create professional quality templates and printables. ChatGPT helps research niches and write compelling product descriptions. Etsy allows you to list your first product for 20 cents. AI image tools generate professional visuals without design skills. The investment required is primarily time. Time spent understanding what your target audience actually needs. Time spent creating something genuinely useful. Time spent writing listings that communicate your product's value clearly. The creators who succeed are not necessarily the most talented designers or the most experienced marketers. They are the ones who started, learned from what worked and what did not, improved their products and listings, and stayed consistent long enough for the passive income to build.